What's up everybody, thanks for clicking. We got a beautiful summer day here, and in this video I've got my 22-inch Weber Classic grill, and we're going to be actually reviewing. Let's get up a little closer look. Do you see those charcoal bins? You may have heard of them. There's 2 of them and they're an awesome investment, and I'm going to be reviewing them in this video. We'll get them out brand new for you, show you around, show you how it works and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what we're dealing with, my 22-inch Weber Classic Charcoal Grill. I love this thing. I've got lots of accessories for it. I'm going to show them to you because they are interesting and worth picking up if you are in the market for souping up your grill. I'll put links down below, but the first thing is one of these mats here that basically prevents any type of sparks from burning, your floor or whatnot. And of course, a custom grill cover by Weber itself to hold up and protect it. That's important. Now let's get out the actual grill bins. There's 2 of them, like I mentioned before, and they're stainless steel and brand spanking new and super shiny. Take a picture because you'll never see them this shiny again. These things are going to get dirty, but look how sexy they are. Put them right next to each other, just like that. Now we're going to get these things booted up and put them to the test. Let's take a quick break. I've got a to-do list for you. First, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're finding it helpful. If you've got a tip, a question, or just want to share what's worked for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. Also, if you're feeling generous and you want to help feed my kids, half joking, not really, hit that thanks button. You can check out my channel merch for some cool DIY Bandit gear. You can shop trusted tools and home products that I use, and even consider becoming a member for some cool exclusive perks. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. All right, and shameless plug, let's get back to business here. So we're going to get out the actual pieces, and there are instructions with visuals on it that show you actually how to align this thing. But basically, you've got your lower grate, and you're going to get your coals started. I've got my little coal starter here, this little piece. I love this thing. If you're using lighter fluid, you're a sucker. You got to get one of these. I promise your life will be so much better. And this is what it looks like basically without those 2 grill. You're just going to dump your charcoal in, right? And your charcoal kind of goes wherever, and it's hot, and you got to move things around with your tool. So instead, you're going to actually dump your coals into the bins. Can you see that right there? I've got my hot coals going, and when it's ready, you're going to dump them into the bins. And that way you can actually align the hot coals to create, see right there, direct heat. If you want to make direct heat right in the center of your grill. Or, let's take this cover off here for a second. You can, while your grills are hot, now these are cool because I don't want to be touching this, but you use your grill utensil and you kind of move that around. And you can, obviously orient them before you pour your hot coals in there with your bare hands, much easier. And if you keep the 2 bins apart like this, you can actually put a baking pan in the middle if you're doing like a roast or something and want some indirect heat. Or you can push them together and have direct heat over the center and then put your steaks and whatnot around the perimeter for some nice flavor. Anyway, hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks so much.